14 SPX.
That's what MSP.
51.
I do get them. She's not your friend. She's trying to trick you. I'm sorry, we tried. Inbox. Contracted the encryption.
Off we go. Nice one. Right out of the gate. Peyton Manning, Drew Brees, winning materials combos. Beautiful card. Let's make the recap stack. Oops.
Described as being violently ill each time.
A couple of days in the ICU, miraculous recovery, only to be repeated time again.
There he is. Lacey. Lacey Strunk to 99. And base. Jim Kelly, 999. That is, the insert set on that is Finette Legends. Here's Jarvis. Jarvis die cut. That's the 97 version. Card stuffing. Pack did not rip right. It's the hardest I've ever had to work to open a pack. Mike Evans, 799. Finette rookies. So one cool thing about SPX is you get an insert or a number card or something per pack. There's only 10 packs, but it actually packs a pretty good punch. There's our auto jersey. We're going to save that one. I've been doing that lately. Nice one. I don't think I've pulled that card. Peyton Manning, that's a 96 die cut. Peyton Manning base. James White auto to 299. Not bad. There he is, Joe. Joe Namath, winning big materials. Allen Robinson, 96 die cut. That's the hologram. Okay. Let's find the auto jersey. I'm going to guess Sankey. Jared Abbrederis. Packers. I've pulled him a lot this year. Alright. That's it for this one. Not bad. Not bad. We had a Jared Abbrederis to 425. Jersey auto. Lace Seastrunk. That's the Radiance, I think, yeah. The Radiance to 99. Manning Breeze combos. Namath, winning big material. And James White auto to 299, so decent.